3, 2, 1.
Hello, in this video, Practical Tips for Rocket Engineering, we're going to talk about some of the hazards around 3D printing, metal 3D printing, your rocket engines. Now, with new capabilities, with the new capabilities of ALM, additive layer manufacturing, there are new ways we can start to make our rocket engines. And this is an example of a bipropellant engine that we've developed here, made out of Inconel. During the additive layer manufacturing process, layers of powder are sintered and effectively melted and welded together in lots of layers. But during the cleaning process, you don't get all of that metal powder off from the surfaces as much as you would like. So you need to be very careful when handling metal 3D printed engines, okay, and specifically if you're doing Inconel, because it could lead to metal poisoning if you have it, if you get the metal powder onto your hands in large concentrations. So make sure you're wearing appropriate PPE. So just a quick little video about a potential health hazard that you might not have considered whilst dealing with additive layer manufactured rocket engines. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe.